We're heading onto a boat. Oh, mangroves.
Flowing southwards, it fills up a lot of the lakes in that channel country down there. It eventually flows into the North Lake here.
Right, here's my son.
She's all yours.
Wow.
Keep going, we'll run to the bank, kids. There you are, we got it. We got it, I think. Yeah, we got it. There you are. Come on then. Little one, do you want to blow the whistle?
Carl?
That's it.
On the river that's inside, for the good old days still linger when the Outback rose right. Slowly moths are feeding campwood as the evening shadows fall and the battered blackened. See, you want a whole one or just half one?
Half.
Yeah, Scotty's got milk if you want some.
Alright. You don't want anything? Yeah. I'll have a tea, please.
We've got a full hand. What do I do first? Sour bread.
And it's got golden syrup on it. It's kind of like a pancake.
Yeah, but it's just like sour bread. Check out how big this plane is. We're in the QANTAS Airplane Museum. So cool. Is that cool? We're in a jet engine. Yay! There is a lot of buttons. Lots and lots and lots and lots of buttons. I would like to be one of these.
Yeah.
Like 4-course meal
I
with
found
a wine
first
glass,
class.
mini drinks, and
It's not even first class.
okay, this one.
Wow.
Fancy.
I think the other one was first class. Oh, this is what it used to look like. That's kind of fancy.
A free telephone.
Wow.
The old Sony TVs and look who else has been here. Michael Jackson.
My jacks. Super duper fancy.
Pretty fancy, eh?
Oh, look who's arriving!
Hello, my dearest peasants.
Next stop.
You're doing it! Oh, you got a face land. Silence the legend! Down she goes.
Down she goes. Oh dear.
Inside. Okay, let's stop and now.
What did you think of the Founders Museum of Qantas?
Great. Awesome. Awesome.
What was your favourite bit?
I think maybe going inside the planes and seeing what they used to look like.
Yeah.
Seeing first class.
Yeah, that you'll never get to
And
sit
the
in.
kitchen. Yeah. I might. Maybe.
Yeah, so how many Qantas planes out of 10 would you give it?
9. 20.
20.
20, but 20. Please subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up in the comments below.